लव जिहाद, उनके यहां जिहाद की परंपरा है। कुछ नहीं मिला तो लव जिहाद कर दिया, प्रेम भी करेंगे तो उसमें भी जिहाद करेंगे। तो हमारे यहां भी प्रेम किया जाता है, भगवान से किया जाता है। सन्यासी भगवान से प्रेम करता है, लेकिन सन्यासी कहता है कि भगवान से प्रेम करते हैं, भगवान की बनाई हुई इस दुनिया में जितने अत्याचारी हैं, अनाचारी हैं, पापाचारी हैं, उनको यहां से समाप्त करो, नहीं तो ये प्रेम की परिभाषा यहां पल नहीं पाएगी। इसलिए लव जिहाद करने वालों को लव जिहाद जैसा उत्तर दो।
These all old stories they are getting from many years. Love jihad is not a new subject. And from so many years they are talking. After the government has come, for 4.5 years, all have kept quiet. Now this is the last session, and they know all community people reject BJP in the next election because they are not given the ration card, they are not given proper ration food in this one, no health facilities, no job for the youth, no programs for any community. So they have come to know they are rejected by the people. To consolidate their vote, to survive, they are getting all these emotional issues where we have to neglect these things and nothing will happen. No one should emotionally discuss on these things. Neglect these youngsters who are not matured completely. I think in the few years they will get matured, everything will be all right.